Hi guys, good morning. So for today, I'm gonna tell you our
Morning.
weekly routine.
Morning.
Okay. So
Yay.
5 o'clock in the morning, so I have to wake up and I have to do first since they are still asleep. So I have to do jogging.
Totally. Yeah.
So I have to go jogging and biking.
There we go. They can see your
And
head.
yeah. So that's the first thing that I have to do. Jogging, biking, and exercise.
Mom, you don't even have a bike. 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 Chelsea, that's not what you're supposed to say. You have to let mommy talk and then
Chelsea?
that's what I'm
Okay.
saying. No.
Okay. And then,
She borrows our bike.
okay. So it's like after an hour. So when I get home, so they're still asleep. So I have to prepare their breakfast. Okay. So I always prepare their favorite food. Like I make waffles. I make pancakes.
Fried rice.
So I make fried rice
It's
with spam.
Daddy, you're making the camera drop.
And also I make their smoothies. So that's Chelsea's favorite. Chelsea, come here.
Chelsea's
That's
favorite
Chelsea's
watermelon
favorite.
smoothie.
Okay. And then after breakfast, so what we will do is we will play a lot. Sit down,
Since
Jess.
when?
So we will play. That's our routine. So we will play. We will play together, the three of us. Okay. So we will play Barbies. So I play with them Barbies. So we will study. Okay. So Chelsea's favorite play is we love to play Barbies. You have 3 Barbies, right?
More than 3.
Yeah, more than 3 Barbies. So that's our favorite thing to do. Okay. And then after playing Barbie, so what we will do is, so we will do bathtub. Okay. We love to do bathtub. Okay. So we do that every day.
Every day.
We do that every day. We do bathtub. We play bubbles in the bathtub.
Yeah,
Okay?
bathtub.
So I play with them.
Bless you.
I play with them. Chelsea, listen here.
I want to be with mom.
Okay, so we love to play bubbles in the bathtub.
Yeah.
So we have color yellow, color pink,
Yeah.
color purple.
Mom, I don't want bubbles. How will we swim?
Yeah, and also we love to do swimming in the village. That's our bonding together. And also in the afternoon, okay, so after lunch, after dinner, so at night, I remember when we still have school, I remember I send them to school.
Wow, yeah.
I prepare their baon, Ate's baon, okay? And then I send her to school with Chelsea.
I don't have school.
And
Homeschool.
And this school year, so Chelsea will go to school as well. So I'm gonna send them both. to school.
But I don't have school. Yeah, she said
You
this
go to
year.
school now.
No.
And at night, then this is the last part. So our night routine. So after taking a shower, so I gave them bath every day.
Yeah, every
So,
day.
And then at night, I gave them good story. So it's a funny story at night.
It's the opposite. Yeah.
And then they love it so much. And then I hele them every time. Hele every time. And I gave them good story. And that's our routine, guys. Bye. Thank you.